Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on communicating with your participants fast and easy. This tutorial will be divided into two parts. First, we will learn how to easily configure the email template through our platform. And then we will see how to send the email communication to our guests. So let's get started. Navigate to the main menu and select Event, Customize and Templates. On this page, select the contact email template and edit it by clicking on the icon on the right. Here you can edit the message you wish to send. Add a template name. Then go to the email message and edit it. Also keep in mind that the fields that are in brackets pull information available in the event. For example, event_name automatically applies the event's name, and salutation and last_name automatically applies the salutation and last name of the invitee receiving the email. You can add more fields by clicking on the Insert Field button on the editor's menu. You can also edit your messages for SMS and Viber here. When you are finished editing the email message, click on Save. Okay, we know how to configure the email template. Now let's see how to send the email communication to our guests individually or by bulk sending. To email a specific guest, go to Manage Registrations. Locate the guest you want to contact by typing their name, email, or company in the search bar. Click on the green icon next to their name and select Contact. Choose your email template, in this case, the reminder email. Select the delivery method and decide if you want to attach the ticket. Once ready, click on Preview and check all details. And click Send. To email many guests at once, go to Manage and select Contact Attendees. Choose the recipients of your message. For instance, to send a payment reminder, select Payment Pending under the Payment Status category. Pick the registration ticket type and choose the delivery method. Pick the email template, in this case the reminder, and choose if you want to attach the ticket. When you are ready, click Preview. Check all details and then click Send. So, now you know how to communicate with your participants fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check our guides for more tips.